Hi guys, I am Akriti. You all are welcome to our channel Little Secrets. If you are new to our channel, then we make videos related to makeup, beauty, lifestyle, cooking, DIY, crafts, nail arts and many more exciting things. Some funny videos too. So if you can relate to what you are seeing, then please do subscribe to our channel Little Secrets and don't forget to ding that bell icon so that you get notified whenever we post a new video. So in today's video, I'll be sharing my go-to makeup look, which is like a everyday makeup look. Since you all know that I don't like very bold makeup look, so I'm a very lover of a very subtle makeup look. So this is my everyday go-to makeup look kind of thing which I do. The only thing I change is the lip shades. You can go with nude, with pinks, with reds, and you can this is like a look which is like the base makeup will remain the same. Only creativity you can do is with the lips and with the eyes. You can go bold with it, you can go nude with it, and you can do many other things. And this is just one basic makeup in which you don't need any brushes. You need very less amount of products, and that too whatever I used are all in budget. So let's get into the video, and please don't forget to like and comment and share with your friends and family if you like today's video. Stay tuned. So we'll start off this look with the base product, which is Lakme 925cc cream in the shade beige. I'll take a pea-sized amount of CC cream on my hand and will apply small dots all over my face. Now we'll blend it using my hands. So the best part about this Lakme CC cream is that it gives you the perfect coverage for everyday look. And if you need like a slight more coverage than what it gives, then you can always build up this cream, and it will get into your skin really smoothly. So moving on to our next product, I have these dark circles, so I need to conceal them. If you don't have, you're good to go. So I'm using this Miss Claire Full Coverage Makeup Concealer. So this is in the shade Skin Beige. So again, you don't need any brushes, anything. So take your fingertip. And it is like very easily blendable. You don't need to work on much. You blend it. You can easily blend it with your hands. So we are done with one eye, and now we are moving to another. You need to gently dab with your fingertips, and the product is quite creamy, so it's gonna melt really easy and gonna blend in your skin perfectly. So we are done with the base. If you have like dark lines hair, then you can conceal a bit here, but I think it's really fine for everyday makeup look. You don't need to go on with so much of products, otherwise like you will be sitting in front of your mirror doing your makeup whole day, and then when you go to your office or your college or somewhere else. So now we have to, in order to conceal all the base products at their proper place, we are going to use the compact powder. So I'm using the Maybelline V Face Duo powder. So we need to just set everything at its proper place. I am using this makeup brush over here, but you also get this tiny little makeup brush with this product. So if you don't want to invest in makeup brushes, or if you don't have any sort of makeup brushes, then this product is good to go with this brush. Since I'm like a very kajal loving person, so I never step out from my house without wearing this kajal. So this is our favorite NYKAA LOVELIES kajal. If you don't like wearing kajal, then you're good to go like that too. But ये kajal मेरा जहाँ है. See the difference between the look when you apply just a little stroke of kajal. You can see the difference. This difference is beautiful. So you can go as subtle as you want or as bold as you can with this kajal pencil. You can also apply it as use it as an eyeliner or apply it on the upper waterline. But sadly, I don't know how to apply it on the upper waterline. So I'm leaving this task for Aishwarya. So now comes mascara, cause Aishwarya needs drama in her life. So we'll add some drama in our life. So moving on to the next and the last product, and trust me, this is the last product of our today's look, and it's the lip product, and we'll use it as a cute little blush on our cheeks. So this product is Thick Soft Matte Lip Creme in the shade Prague. So we are done with our look, and if you want to add a bit of highlighter, then you can do that too. Otherwise you're complete with your look, and it's really simple. And if you don't need to invest in highlighter, then Vaseline petroleum jelly is the best alternative. You can do that, but you know, please don't try it during summer because it's quite like greasy and all that. So if you want, you can add highlighter, otherwise you're good to go with this look. So do tell me in the comment section if you like this everyday go-to look. Like I'm a person who likes a very subtle makeup look, and I don't own so many products, so I use थोड़ा DIY करके, थोड़े hacks and tricks apply करके I do all my makeup. So if you like today's video, do comment below and tell us the best part about the video or the best hack I applied about the video, and share your hacks if you know some. And do comment, do like, do share, and do subscribe to Little Secrets. We'll see you soon. Till then, stay pretty, stay happy, and keep finding the little secrets of life. Bye!